Listen, Arnie, you were just talking about the time we lived on Mackenzie Street, eh? So listen, I have a good story for you. You know, it was one summertime. You must have been about 7 or 8. And you kids were playing in the streets, making a lot of noise, playing street hockey. But across the street, there lived a man, you know, by the name Spiegel. I don't know if you remember him. He didn't like too much kids, I think, because he kept chasing you away for your noise that you're making. Well, the more he chased you, the more you were provoked to tease him. So I imagine among yourself, you made up to annoy him more. So the kids got together, and what they did, they used to go up to his door, ring his bell, and run away. That made him more mad. Well, that went on for a little while. So one day it was your turn. What happened? Like usual, you know, by you run down, you fell down the stairs or you were too slow. He caught up with you. And he brought you over to me. He rang the bell by me. I came to the door. Here he was standing there fuming. How terrible you kids are and how you're annoying him, how terrible things you're doing to him. Well, I'll tell you what, I think he was right, and I was about to scold you for it. But in addition to telling me, I bet you are, he finished it off with saying that I don't know how to bring up children. And that really got me mad. And before he was going away, I called him back, and I said, listen, Mr. Spiegel, I have a nice story for you. And this is what I told him. I told him there was a crow and a canary sitting on a tree, and they were singing. The crow was saying to the canary, you know, I sing better than you. So the canary said, what do you know? Everybody knows the canary was born to sing, and I'm singing really beautiful. How can you say a thing like that? As a matter of fact, if you want to know really, let's wait to the first creature that passes by here, and we'll ask him who sings better. Good enough. Anyhow, you know what happened? A pig passes by, and they ask him, who do you think sings better? So the pig, being a pig, says that the crow sings better. I'm telling you, the canary got so mad, he broke on us. He started crying. So the crow says to the canary, why are you crying? You were the one to suggest that we should ask somebody. Whatever they'll say, that's the way it's going to be. The canary says to the crow, he says, I'm not crying because I lost. I'm just crying because look who my George is. Well, that Mr. Spiegel got white in the face and turned around, walked away. He never bothered me or you again. But I'll tell you, going into the house, I gave you a good scolding because I really, no matter what the old man does or say, he's an older person. You should have respect for him. That's the end of the story. How you like it?